my friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel. We'll explain how to use Facebook app step by step. In today's tutorial we'll explain how to allow Facebook to save location history. Let's get started and see how can we do that. At first, tap on Facebook app icon. After that, click on 3 horizontal line which shown on top right. Scroll down a little bit till we get setting and privacy. After that, press on settings. Scroll down a little bit till we get location. Press on location history. Below location history, you can find that you give permission for Facebook to save history of location received from your device. Press on this icon to allow. Now you already active it. If you want to disable, just press again the same icon. Here we reach to the end of the video. In this video we explain how to allow Facebook to save location history. That's it. If you find that our content is helpful, you can support us by tap on subscribe. You can also press on bell and tap on all to get notification for all new videos. By the way, if you have any comments, please don't hesitate to write to us and we will do our best to respond to all comments as soon as possible. Thank you for watching and see you in next video. Bye bye.